In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Steam game updates, and we'll do it in about 5 minutes. Now before we dive into the steps, let's talk about why you might want to prevent automatic updates. Often updates can interrupt your plans, especially if you have limited bandwidth or if a game you love changes significantly after an update. So if you're looking to take control of when and how updates happen, you're in the right place. First off, open your Steam app. You might already have it running in the background, but if not, make sure to launch the application. Upon opening, you'll need to click on Login if you're not already signed in. This action will prompt you to enter your account name and password. It's crucial to keep your credentials secure, so make sure you're not sharing them with anyone or displaying them in public areas. Once you've inputted the necessary details, proceed to click on Sign In. Now that you've landed on your Steam homepage, look towards the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Steam, then select Settings. Here, you'll be greeted with a new window that holds a variety of options. Navigate to the Interface tab. It's here that you'll want to look out for the particular setting called Run Steam when my computer starts. Uncheck this box to stop Steam from launching automatically whenever you start your computer. This step is important because it prevents Steam from running in the background when you don't need it to, thus avoiding unwanted updates during those times. Next, head over to your library. Here's where you can see all your installed games. Pick a game you're concerned about, then right-click on it. A menu will pop up, and from this menu, choose Properties. Now you'll want to shift your focus to the Updates tab within the Properties window. You'll see an option labeled Automatic Updates. Change this setting to only update this game when I launch it. What this does is prioritize your control over updates, meaning the game will only refresh itself when you actually decide to play it. Confirm these changes and return to your Steam homepage by exiting out of the Properties window. After completing these steps within the Steam client, exit Steam entirely. We have one final piece of housekeeping to attend to, and it rests with your system's Task Manager. Open Task Manager by right-clicking on your taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is up, head over to the Startup tab. Here, locate Steam in the list of startup apps. Click on it and then select Disable. This ensures Steam doesn't start when your computer does, reinforcing our earlier settings adjustments. And that's it, you've successfully adjusted your Steam settings to keep control over game updates. Enjoy your gaming sessions uninterrupted.